Yeah, so my name is Dennis Brown. I'm the QA director here at BST Global. It's a company that develops software for architectural and engineering firms to do their business. This is actually a new project that we are embarking on here at BST. We wanted this to be a multi-tenant using microservices and really a standalone web app to really kind of reach our clients. And we wanted that experience. We really wanted a tool to really generate a lot of data for us, to really make sure we can have, 5 million roles, if not more than that. And how does it function when our application functions when it retrieves that data from our application? And so that to me was a win for us when we saw that. And so it was really kind of easy to pivot to GenRocket for this new project that we were looking to embark from a web perspective. Biggest impact, it helps flush out issues. And what I mean, performance issues. Without the ability to create as much data that we needed to create it. So we have 1 year projection of data and then 5-year projection of data. And if we didn't have GenRocket and that capability to generate that amount of data, pristine data, that was always important to us, the quality of the data. Is it pristine? And to generate quality data at that large of a volume, to surface performance issues early rather than later, allow us to get ahead of that curve and really address these issues before even releasing to the market. And so that was one of the biggest benefits that we found by using GenRocket to really flush out any performance issues that we may have in our software earlier in the process. Our system can be pretty complex in regards to how the users exercise our data. And to kind of go through that with GenRocket and their leadership team to kind of share even more outside of just purchasing the product, some of our challenges from a data perspective and the complexity of our application. That's what I mean. The GenRocket was more family-like versus a company. By them sitting down at the table with us, discussing our challenges, that's even more, maybe even outside of GenRocket's capabilities. But what they were willing to do is through opening a ticket and things of that nature, they actually created those capabilities. So, and at the end of the day, like I said, it helps evolve their software as well by us stumbling across some of these challenges. And so for me, that's a partnership. So it was more to me than just buying a tool or a piece of software to do the job for us. Again, it was important for us to build a relationship. And so I definitely believe we built that relationship with GenRocket.